In this video, I want to share with you a powerful feature that GoHighLevel released not too long ago that'll allow you to create a bot for your Instagram or Facebook. And this bot will pretty much respond to any comment that you have on Facebook or Instagram. And not only that, if you wanted to send that person who commented a DM, you can do so as well. Now, of course, you can build this out for your own business, or you can build this out for other businesses as well. And you can charge them a monthly fee to do this, because a lot of businesses don't have this. A lot of people who comment on their posts are just being ignored. And the ones who do have this are paying for expensive software like ManyChat. So by having a business set this all up through our software, we're going to be saving them a ton of money. So this feature will help with engagement, and this will be extremely beneficial if in your post you say comment free course down below and I'll send you my free course, or comment yes down below and I'll send you my free guide or free training or whatever. Instead of having to send your free lead magnet to someone manually, you can just have this bot take over and do that for you. So before we get started and before I show you how to set all this up, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into it. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna have to do to set all this up is connect our Facebook and Instagram account to the sub account. So to do that, it's going to be very easy. We can just come over here to the settings, and then over here where it says integrations, and then right over here you'll see the Facebook and Instagram icon, and you just want to click on connect, and you just want to sign into your Facebook account. So right here it's going to give you an option to choose a Facebook page. So I'm just going to choose this one right here, and then we can go ahead and connect this page, and just like that, our business Facebook page is now connected to the sub account. So now we're going to also want to connect our Instagram account as well, and to do that, again, it's going to be easy. We can just click on this button right here and connect our Instagram. So now that that's taken care of, we can go ahead and create the automation that's going to make all this work. So let's just go back and come over here to where it says automation, and in here is where we're going to build out that automation. So now let's go ahead, create a new workflow, and I'm just going to start from scratch, and we can just name this IG/Facebook comment bot. So now let's go ahead and add some triggers right here. So what's going to trigger this automation is every time someone comments on our post. So let's just click right here, and for the first trigger, let's just search for Facebook comment on a post, and this feature is still in beta. So if it doesn't work as well as you want it, don't worry, this feature will get better and better. So I'm just going to click on this, and now for the filters, you just want to select your page. So this is my Facebook page right here, and then post type, you want it to say published post, and then where it says post is, this is where you want to select the Facebook post that you want this to work on. I'm just going to click on this one, and then we're going to add another filter, and this one's going to be contains phrase, and for the value we can just do something like yes. So basically whenever someone comments yes on my Facebook post, this automation is going to trigger. So in my post I can say comment yes and I'll send you my free training, or comment yes and I'll send you my lead magnet, or something like that. After I say that in the post, there's a good chance that there's going to be a lot of people who comment yes down below, and once they do that, this automation is going to trigger. And then if you want this bot only to track first level comments, you can have this switched on. So basically this will only work for the first comment that someone comments on your post. It's not going to work for someone who responds to a comment. So once we have all of this set up, we can go ahead and save this trigger. Now we're going to want to add one more trigger, and this trigger is going to be for Instagram. I'm just going to click right here, and I'm going to search for Instagram comment on a post. And again, this feature is in beta, but don't worry, these features work extremely well already. So I'm just going to click on this, and then again, it's going to be the same exact thing. We're going to want to choose a page. We're going to want to add a filter, choose what post you want this to work for, and then you just want to add another filter and select contains phrase, and then you just want to type in your phrase. So this can be yes, this can be free course, this can be AI. This is what you tell someone who views your post what to comment, and then when you're done, we can go ahead and save this trigger. So just like that, we now have our two triggers that will activate this bot. So now the next thing that we're going to do is add an action, and this first action is going to be an if else condition. I'm just going to click right here, and we're just going to have two branches. So our first branch will be if someone comments on our Facebook post, and for this branch we're going to do workflow trigger, and for the trigger I'm going to do is, and then over here I'm going to click on Facebook comment on a post. So now we have our first branch. Let's go ahead and add a second one. So for this branch, this is going to be whenever someone comments on our Instagram post. I'm just going to name this Instagram, and then again we're going to do workflow trigger is, and then we're going to do Instagram comment on a post, and then we can come up here and we can even name this Facebook or Instagram, and then we can go ahead and save this action. So just like that, if someone comments on our Facebook page, they'll go down here. If they comment on our Instagram page, they'll come down here. Now we're going to want to add another action. So the first action that we're going to add is for the Facebook post, and basically what this action is going to do is reply to the comment on this post. I'm just going to click on this plus, and then I'm going to come over here and type in reply in comments, and I'm going to click on this action. So in here is where you want to add a couple variations on how you want your bot to respond to the comments. So you don't just want to add one response in here, you want to add a couple. One, because you don't want Facebook thinking that this is just a bot. You want Facebook to think that you're a real person. And then two, you don't want the people commenting on your post to think you're a robot either. You want them to think that a real person is taking time out of their day to respond to their comments. So I'm just going to quickly add some comments in here right now. So here are all the comments that I came up with. I have go to example.com for the free course, head over to example.com to claim your free course, get started here, example.com, thanks for commenting, here's where you can get started, example.com, and then finally get the free training here, and then I have example.com, and I'm just going to delete this part. So there you go. There's the variations that I have for my Facebook bot, and you guys can do something similar similar. Again, you don't just want to keep sending the same phrase over and over again. You want to mix it up a little to make it seem like you're a real person. And then finally, if we come down here, you can have this feature enabled. And basically what this will do is your bot will like their comment before it responds to them. So I recommend that you have this enabled. And then when you're done, you can go ahead, click on save action. And just like that, it's going to be all set up. Every time someone comments on Facebook and they comment the word yes, this bot will automatically respond to that comment. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add a wait time. And for this wait time, it can just be like 0.3 minutes, and then we can save that. And then after this wait time, not only can you send the person who comments yes your free lead magnet in the comments, you can also go ahead and DM them the lead magnet as well. So after 0.3 minutes, we can go ahead, add a new action. And for this action, we can just come up here and search for Facebook Interactive Messenger. And now we can go ahead and type in our Facebook message right here. So this is what I came up with. I just said, hey, contact first name. Thank you for your interest in my free course. You can check it out here at example.com. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck. So now I'm just going to save this action. And just like that, this AI bot will also send a Facebook message as well. So now we can also do the same exact thing for this Instagram section. I'm just going to go ahead, click these three dots, click on copy all actions from here. I'm just going to paste that right here, and everything should be the same. We have our responses right here, and then we're going to add a wait time. And then for this action right here, we can just delete this, and we can just add a Instagram Interactive Messenger. And then for this message, we can say the same exact thing pretty much. So again, I'm just going to thank them for their interest. I'm going to go ahead and DM them that free course. Once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and save this. And just like that, we've built out a simple Instagram/Facebook comment bot. So now let's go ahead and test out this bot to see if it works. I'm just going to go over here and publish this, click on save, and now let's go to Facebook. All right, so to test this out, we're just going to use this Facebook post right here. And this post says comment yes, and I'll send you my free AI course. So if I go over here to the comments and I type in yes, we're just going to wait a bit to see if this works. So as you can see here, this Facebook page automatically liked my comment and sent a response. And if we take a look at that response, this page automatically responded with get started here, example.com. So me as someone who commented, I could just click on this link and access this page's free lead magnet. And not only that, not only did this page respond to my comment, but this page automatically sent me a DM as well with the same information to be sure that I opt into the lead magnet. And as this post gets more and more comments, this bot will continue to respond to those comments, and it's going to switch up the variations that I put inside of the bot. So guys, that's how you're going to create a bot for your Instagram or Facebook page. This bot will help you get more engagement on your posts, and it will save you a ton of time from having to go in and comment to all of your posts manually. Again, you can do this for your business, or you can set this up for your client's business as well. And every time they're promoting, let's say, their lead magnet on social media, you can have this bot automatically send their lead magnet to people who respond with a certain phrase. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value from it. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.